What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm gonna make my famous barbecue chicken. Got a whole, 2 whole birds. I already washed the chicken off. I'm gonna use my special dry rub that I make up. You can go watch the video, back a couple of videos back. So then it smokes. And then I'm gonna put a little yellow mustard on there so it sticks. Get down and dirty with my hands, mix it on up. Trust me, I wash my hands, no worries. I'm not afraid to touch my bird. We used to raise birds. Honey, can you give me a little dry rub on here? Sprinkle down at the bottom. There we go. Give me some across the top. There we go. I just go with a scoop. See what I mean about making your own dry rub? Imagine you had to go to the store and buy each pack of this for $1. That's about 4 packs right there she just put on. And I spent about, buying all the seasons, maybe $10. For small jars, but you can also buy the big ones. I'm actually gonna start selling it soon. Just trying to find me a marketing and labeling. Get with them. Try to get some labels on it. So, hey, give me a name which y'all think I should name this dry rub if I'm trying to get it labeled. Help me come up with some names. Maybe, if somebody throw out something good enough, a good name, I can even send them some. We can do a giveaway. We gotta make this a little fun. So, chicken is all nice and seasoned, rubbed down. I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to go out and put it on the grill about 5 minutes. Go ahead and put the chicken on a smoker Joe, Ugly Joe. I call it Ugly Joe. You can call yours what you want to call it. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook nice, low, and slow. I got a little heat on it, so it don't come out rubbery. But we'll come back and check on it in an hour. Got it smoking with a little pecan wood. What's up? You see we cooking that chicken at about, what's that, about 265? Nice and slow. Come out nice and juicy. Squirting in your mouth. Just squirt. Go ahead and flip it over. Sorry, I didn't have my spray bottle last time. Had to go mix it up. Just go spray my chicken down so it don't dry out. Then I come back in an hour, flip it over on the other side. Let's open up a little bit. There we go. Had to open it up. A little wet. Alright. Go ahead and let that sauce glaze over. Let me grab my tongs. Okay, back at it. Grab the tongs. Sauce there. Hit it with that dab, that nay-nay. That stinking leg. Alright, let's go ahead and take this barbecue chicken off. I'm gonna leave it kind of lazy because I'm gonna take it down and eat it with the family. Go on a little trip. Let them try it. So I'm gonna have to put it back in the oven. So I'm gonna leave it a little bit wet, you know. So that way once it go in the oven it get nice and sticky. You know. And you get that sucking, that licking and smacking fingers. Tongues, lips, you know, all of it. There's gonna be some good eating. Hey, be sure to watch the video coming up about how it turned out. You might even see us get some finger licking on with it. Hey, but only one way to find out. You know that upcoming video, if you hit that sub button, you know where every video populates. Hey, and help me reach that that mark. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. Come on and help me out. Share it with your family, friends. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.